Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today I am going to make vegan cheese sauce. I'm going to use potatoes, onions, garlic, turmeric, nutritional yeast, paprika, black pepper, crushed red pepper, and vegetable broth.
Heat some veggie broth in a skillet. Sauté the onions and garlic. While the onions and garlic are sautéing, add the dry ingredients into a bowl. Then add the broth and combine the ingredients. Pour the wet mixture over the sautéed onions and garlic.
Add the ingredients to your blender. Oops, I should have cut the potatoes in half to give the blender an easier time. And voila, you can enjoy this with a number of things. This is a nut-free, dairy-free substitute for many things such as traditional nacho cheese sauce. You can even use this as a sauce for your casseroles or bakes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me on this journey as I try to build a healthier and kinder cooking repertoire.